Tire removal. After removing the wheel, let the air out of the wheel first. Squeeze the tire and push it the other way. Put your foot on the tire. Pull the tire out with both hands. Turn the wheel up. The inner and outer tires can be removed at one time. Install tire. Inflate the inner tire halfway first. Stuff into the outer tire. Determine the forward direction according to the arrow on the tire. Put the tire set into the hub first. Install the inner tire valve. Tuck the entire inner tire into the hub. Squeeze the tire in. Inflate the tire at the end. At this time, check whether the tire is centered. Then complete the replacement of the inner and outer tires.